back to Acid Hot. If you look well, you go see say smoke. They come out inside the studio. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ugbonga visitor we know they come out anyhow. Professor Nwokobia Sisi, aka Mustafa, in the inside studio. And we dey discuss the new light money. Suffer now, enjoy later. Our Ugbonga 3-in-1 minister, Babatunde Raji Fashola don't talk say, time don't reach for Nigerians, even though the thing they very, very difficult. Make we try our best, see how we go fit manage them, so that at the end of the day, all of us go smile. Prof, before we go that break, I be ask you, say if we check now, see wetin the minister, when he be governor, do for Lagos State, even though we know, say for law, we get the exclusive, the concurrent, and the residual list. And some people don't talk say anything power, make you not even go there if you be state. Leave one for the federal government. But in check and say, okay, if we want to make our state mega city, if we get plenty people from different parts of Nigeria where they live here, and we know say power and something when we say it go drive the economy, make we do and well. At the last count, about 7. Now I mean carry hand, put inside, say, okay, make we do and people they see the change. But at the end, you get where you go generate rich, you must send and go the national grid. Make we talk about legislation now, especially when sabi law. How you take things, say, we fit put things in place when we say even states we can begin with alternative source of energy, whether na window, whether na solar, whether na hydro, they go begin to do.
Chukuli, what you talk correct. Let me tell you, we can't move this country forward if we not rework our law.
Thank you.
If we not rework our constitution. You see, when you make the federal government almighty,
all in all, Alpha and Omega,
overpowerful, you make it difficult for government to perform, to deliver on the promises of democracy. Now, where would they so? You know, we don't talk about the need for resource control, the need for devolution of power, the need for true fiscal federalism. You know, the reason when we talk and they say, for First Republic, you know, you see Nigeria grow.
True.
When them born people like us after the First Republic, after the war, as we grow, we see fine cities. And you know how they build them? Cocoa from the southwest, palm produce and palm produce from the middle belt, coal from the southeast, the granite pyramids and sesame from the north. You know, now because all those regions control sizable degree of their resources. Can they pay money go center? As you and I they talk, if you say na federal government go they in charge of oil totally, you say na federal government go they in charge of power. You make federal government overpowerful. Too much work. The kid not go fit do and well.
Exactly.
You not see what in education ministry they talk now. Say children, if you teach them finish from morning, in the evening they go carry teachers, give them again. So you know they help for the development of children. I was joking a few days ago. I said, all these children, when they talk, say they be genius. I not see they are genius. Because when I'm small, I know pass most of them. And when I'm small, if I go school, by 2:30, we don't close, come house, come they play. We they play ball every day. You know. Then in the evening, we go back small, do small homework, go sleep. But children, they begin work by 8 a.m. till 5 in the evening, then still they do assignment.
Get lesson teacher.
In the evening, lesson teacher go come. Before these children go sleep, they don't tire. The next day, they start again. You know, too much work, they spoil things. And why they say, all work without play makes Jack a dull boy. You know, and as I talk to you, so, it don't reach time when federal government, these people when the National Assembly, they collect big salary. Make them look for how we go take fix this our law. Allow, so, because let me tell you, if to say we get devolution of power.
Happening because if power they for the federal level and the federal level, if you say now they be the deciding factor of waiting they happen around for the country, that is waiting go play out for the state. Then waiting give you that is to say the federal government at this point go even want to say they want at least release that level of power than they.
But Prof, before you answer, that question, we get Dr. Dan all the way from Ikorodu. Dr. Dan, good morning and welcome to Acid Hot.
Good morning, Dr. Dan. Good morning, Dr. Dan. We can hear you right on.
I greet you, sir.
We greet you, Dr. Dan.
I greet everybody there.
We greet you, sir.
I want to shook mouth for this matter.
Continue.
You know, our government for this country, then they take us for granted. Because they know say Nigerian people, we be patient somebody. All these things when they do for us for this country, they don't fit do it for another country. But you know, Nigeria now, you know, with the struggle, no matter the case, Nigeria they struggle. Otherwise, the food where you never give me, you can't tell make a company for them.
But
You're supposed to give me the food. Let me see the food I want to pay.
but Dr. Dan, you dey hear me?
But the electric, the power self, this line self is not stable. You have not done. You don't earn nothing about it. You are not telling us that you are going to put money. It's not the right thing. It's not the right thing. The best thing is to give us the light, provide the meter, provide everything for us. Now, if we now put money, we are not going to worry to pay for it because we are paying for the service of what we are using.
Dr. Dan, thank you very, very much. You don't make very important points. Even from your voice, you go see, say, the thing they pay you well, just like they pay plenty Nigerians. Oga Agbef, they call us all the way from Makurdi for Benue State. Oga Agbef, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Agbef. You go raise your voice.
Could be good morning.
Good morning, Oga Agbef.
So, waiting I want to for this matter, this light when they say they were because this government they not they serious you. Nah, they you know why they do us like this? Because they look and say Nigeria also use with the chair. We know what man must also eat, man must also. If not be so, then please make I tell you if not the light for Benue State, I don't say the state for Makurdi when me I take that. The night say okay, you have to pass before, but the make they try to give us the same meter first before they do anything. Because if there's some kind of money where you will keep person, you will be never matter where they will be that big, you will see where they buy. This government, this is what I thought, and they trade this government from the beginning. But now what do they do now? They're not try things they go up every day by day. This change where we demand. Change where it says things go smooth well. But the change of Nigeria today keeps the earth well. I don't think they'll that lie.
Oga Agbef, we understand the point where you dey try drop. Your own be say government must not just use mouth talk am. They suppose show action so that Nigerians mind go come down and say yes. So this government wey don promise say they wan do this thing, they go do am. But e go good make we emphasize say wetin don spoil for several years because even the minister talk am say if we even check say we don dey get problem of power na something wey be say we go count and go 100 years. Wetin don spoil for so many years no be something wey be say in just 8 months we go change am. Remember say for this country we don invest about 16 billion US dollars say we wan improve the power sector wey be say we no see any change at all. So if government promise us say they wan do this thing and we believe say this government na government of integrity and no be say the thing no go hard o but we suppose still fit manage small.
Make I tell you, it get companies, if they ask me make I recommend, I go recommend. It get companies, when they're ready to bring their money, come Nigeria, can't do this work. You don't charge your people more money to fix waiting. Since you say that private companies don't take over this, if they're not fit go, if they're not fit get money, make them go partner with those companies when they're ready to come invest their monies here. Then when they don't give people meter finish, put light, then they feel increase tariff. Chuku did not be argument when then they win. Nobody fit win them. You know, that caller don't talk and say, you not go fit ask me, make I pay for food when I never see.
Exactly.
We don't hear for this country over 10 years now, say they won't put meter everywhere. Nigeria, for Lagos here, they never give more than 20% of homes meter. Across the country, people not get meter. Then you want increase tariff. Chuku did not be argument. Let me tell you, this government, na government when I love well, this Obonga minister, when be performer.
Now your friend.
Now my friend, now my boy at the collar.
We know.
You know? But the point is that the time don't come for we to put Nigeria first. And the people. The reason when government they exist now to serve the people, you don't fit change that.
You go still hold on to that thought because we get one Pastor Rich right now. Pastor Rich, they call us from Ikotu. Good morning, Pastor. Pastor Rich, good morning.
Pastor Rich, you did there? It be like say the network no agree. We get Wisdom same from Ikotu too. Wisdom, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning, Oga Wisdom.
Yeah, I like your program,
Thank you very much.
I want to just contribute for Wisdom and the talk since morning.
Feel free.
I beg, you see what our government they do for this country, it don't really make sense. And because of say majority of Nigerians know they react because we mind our business. Nobody really care about what government is doing or not. That's why they are taking us for granted.
So,
Let us to
Oga Wisdom, wetin you dey try talk be say, as Nigerians, we suppose dey participate in the whole process, make it no longer be sit down look.
Exactly. It's not everything that we'll be keeping quiet for.
Thank you very much,
Na
Oga
my
Wisdom,
own
for
little
this your important
contribution to
contribution.
Chukuri, if you ask Nigerians, make them tell you whether they won't pay this money. Because you see, you get how governance they work. You engage the people, you do certain things. You engage the people because not them be the reason when government day.
Very true.
My late father would tell me that you cannot love a man more than he loves himself. You know, the realities of it now, be say the people no money for country. People they suffer everywhere. You cannot generally wake up, say you dey increase tariff. Now be say you dey increase money when they go remove from their pocket. Money when they say they not get.
True.
Now if not because you won't give the people light. Now and the people when they produce the light say they not get money, make them enter partnership with countries.
Wey go
I know
fit support, yes.
companies in China, I know companies in South Africa, I know companies in Eastern Europe, in Ukraine and the likes, when they're ready to invest this money, go and enter partnership, share profit with them. Not tell me, say, the way to move this thing, not to suffer the Nigerian people.
But the point is, if you dey suggest this thing, then this will probably bring us to the question of say, we also need to probably, you notice it would be appropriate for us to check the authenticity of this private sector. So no, not true now. Make we, Prof, me I dey bring my own angle from question from different angles.
No, point
So,
to
you
the
notice it would be appropriate for us to say, make we check the authenticity of this.
Of those when buy
of
this
thing.
companies.
Because make we know whether monkey hand never stretch enter, and na the same monkey hand they decide whether or not Nigerians go do it.
Now big question you ask. So because if you say you sabi do power, if you say you know the business and you want to make light, why you they want ask Nigerian people
for
to
money
indirectly
again, for something
give
they
you
don't
money,
privatize.
indirectly give you money when you go take do meter, indirectly give you money when you go take produce what you don't buy.
Very true. Prof, we go take this call from Oluwatosin. In the call us from Egbeda. I sure say he go get answers to this question. Oluwatosin, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, I greet all of you now.
We greet you. Make I ask you, una get light?
Well, we get light now,
Now.
but you know regular.
Okay, continue.
Okay, I greet you now.
We greet you back.
Professor, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I quickly want to say I really don't understand why our people are making us to sound as if we are foolish people. As if they want to take us backwards again. I don't know why they cannot understand that they should give everybody a prepaid meter first before they now talk about price increase. Right now, I pay 9,000 naira per month because of estimated billing. In a 3-bedroom flat, I have just 4 bulbs, a television, a deep freezer, and an iron. Other people who have times 4 of what I have, they are paying 2,500.
Oga Tosin, if you check am in a day, how many hours you dey get light?
At times, on the average, they give us light maybe for about 6 hours, 7 hours.
6 hours, 7 hours.
And he
Of
pays
20.
And you can't pay
9,000 a
that
month.
sum. I know we say they use many prepaid meter this now.
No.
Nkubi, there
We
is
went
no
there, we complain
argument when we fit
Now,
make.
the irony of the whole thing is this. You are bringing estimated meter bill. The acting chairman came out on public television to tell Nigerians that they have a modality of estimation. They will sit in their office
Can't use permutation.
and know how to estimate what I am using in my house.
When
Are
you say no
calling
get
us
wetin dey read
foolish
am.
people? Are you
Oga
calling
Tosin.
us? I mean, are we dolls?
Oga
You sit
Tosin,
inside your
Oga
office.
Oga
Then you are
Tosin,
able to
you don't talk
calculate
your
when my
mind
light
and the
your
thing dey
mind.
pain you well well. Back to back, we will collect Oga Amechi. Oga Amechi dey call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Amechi, welcome to Aside Hot.
Uncle, good morning. I greet you everyone. I
Good
like your
morning.
station.
Good morning.
Thank you very much.
My own complaint is that where I'm living at Ikorodu, like as not fun as God, both people, our transformer, we have to use our money to buy transformer. Every landlord has to pay 75,000 naira before you collect light. Are you with me?
How the year?
So every landlord, whether I did 1 room or whether I did 2-story building, you have to pay them 75,000 naira before you connect the light. And the light, nobody give us meter. Then just put the wire inside your house, and everybody pays the same price. The same amount I pay, the same amount the other person pay. Then one don't want to know the matter, the condition, whatever you are using inside your house. That kind of thing is very. I need to somehow. Anytime that I see, even if you are using one box, you must pay the same amount that person that are using have 2-story building, have tenant and other things.
Okay, Amechi, this is your point. We don't know that already, and I think say now one thing when we say the regulators then supposed to ensure say they catch everybody, make it not be say na permutation and they give people billing. Prof, before you give us, Oga Igo, they call Abuja too far. Oga Igo from Abuja. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
To the studio, I greet you. Good morning. The controversial could be long time. I greet you. Good morning.
Oga Igo.
Also, this issue of like the kid they pay me the laws of Nigeria. Not only poor man they are paid. No, they affect rich people. When it comes to the laws of Nigeria, rich people, they call it legal law because the law not they affect them at all because they get everything. You want to tell me say the Minister of Power and this is now in way day now inside house in there. You know they run generator for here for Abuja here. Therefore Lagos they run. My problem is not even when they increase the tariff. My problem is the procedure collect meter from their hand. You go sweat. It's just like the person you want to go buy, you say you want to buy iron. If you pay for the iron is already there. You collect it and you go. You apply for 6 months. You never even come and you don't pay. Do you know how much to collect 3-phase meter? You pay 3-phase meter for 6 months. Let's not go see him. Then now you say now for the for Nigeria now the we court go give judgment. The judgment they go varuna and the person says na lawyer. Why not people pay for and the court say a lawyer? This Nigeria now God go help for this.
Oga Igo, I know say this one way don't go spiritual. The thing they pay you well. We go take Moji from Ikorodu, and after that one, we go just lock our telephone line so that our prof go fit chook mouth inside all these things when we say we don't drop. Moji from Ikorodu, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Moji.
Moji, you there? Be like say the network no gree Moji make in contribution. Prof, what we go do be say we go just allow you, just take them back to back, make we just address all the issues when people don't raise.
Make I tell you this thing. You know, when I hear the defense made by the discos, waiting they talk, I go to ask myself, let them bring their best leg, the person who go fit defend this thing better for them, the best person. Make it come meet me, make we debate them. You know, there is nowhere in the world where business is run this way. And the discos, now individuals, private persons now get them now. You know go fit, you know they happen anywhere in the world. And now waiting I want my bond, make them sit down, look and well again. We know they turn debate, argument upside down because we want to move country forward. Nigerians now go suffer increased money put for pocket of those when the private individuals because they want give us meter. Make them look for money. Now so it happen anywhere in the world. Anyway. If you cannot fund it, get into partnership with those who go fit fund them. If you not fit, sell your interest to those who go fit fund them. It gets so many people who go want to do that kind of business here. I think that the time has come for us to understand, say, this country get to move forward on a nice footing. The people must always come first. The masses must always come first. For me, it's country first. You know, I think that the time has come for all the Nigerian people in their debate to think about how everything when they do, they affect Ekaite for the South-South. How they affect Kemi for the Southwest. How they affect Amina for the North. And how they affect Chukudu maybe for the Mid-Belt.
Prof.
Because if we not do them like that, everything when they talk about, say we want bring change, go they difficult.
Prof, this break we won't go now. Now how you go take affect us on top of this show. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion for the final lap on top of Aside Hot. No go anywhere. Now the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and channel 98 on top of GoTV, Wazobia TV. We dey come back. Welcome back to Aside Hot. From where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of Aside Hot, now we dey so. We don't collect calls from people from different parts of Nigeria, and they don't talk their mind as it get to do with this one when we say, now in the carry first for news matter inside Obodo, Nigeria. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Professor Nwokobia Sisi, aka Mustapha, dey inside studio, and we dey discuss this very important topic, new light money. Suffer now, enjoy later. Question mark there for the back. And Prof, they answer all the questions. They go. Prof, before we go that break, you been talk one very important thing. And then we go continue from this one when we say you don't talk. Now, from where we start this program, you don't dey very, very clear. Say, if we go do something when go affect the Nigerian people and make their life better, it go dey very, very important make we do the right way.
Yes,
engage
the people.
Engage the people. Yeah. Not be say you won't do this thing. Say we won't do it for una, but the people can't they suffer.
All over the world, they get what they call town halls, consumer and customer engagements, PR policies. Not be government, not be minister of power, works and housing, go they explain to Nigerians waiting concern private business. You know, you are the chief regulator now. What you go do now, ask them, if you are not fit do this thing, enter into partnership or you sell your license to those who can do this business. That is how you move this country forward. We want power to improve. And I tell you, Chukwudi, without increasing tariff, power can improve. Any argument,
and not be magical.
Any argument about say if you not increase tariff, power not going to improve. We can make these things change if we engage people who have their funds and who are ready to bring it here.
Before we could expect that part to improve, make we also do it. Make we quickly collect this call from Pastor Rich, who will be missed out before. Pastor Rich, good morning.
Good morning, my brothers. God will bless you now.
Pastor Rich, this your voice, Rich. It be like say you get light.
No, yeah, you see, I just get light now. I'm happy.
Okay.
Right
you
now,
know,
we hear you.
One man say, if you want to go to heaven, may you not live for Lagos State or Nigeria. Because when the trumpet will sound, you will not hear the sound of the prophet. So the problem is that the issue of light has become an epidemic problem. Every government where it comes, go talk, go here, talk. Is it that it cannot be solved? If it is a spiritual problem, when I carry a conscience, maybe we'll solve it. This one, I don't, let's say, don't pass everybody. We thought that Jonathan would be able to do it. He came, he talked, blah, blah, blah. Obasanjo talked, blah, blah, blah. This time around, now, they are telling us to pay money, and we have not seen meter. We have not seen the light. How can you have a house, you build a house now. You never complete the house. You are saying for rent, and people will come and pay 1 million naira for that house you want to build. You never know the pattern you are going to build it. That looks somehow. You know, we pastor, there is a way we talk. All the things we do, we pray. We keep on praying for this country to go. But the people we are praying for, are they ready for the prayer to work for them?
Pastor Rich, thank you very, very much. And from waiting our Ogbonge visitor don't talk, it is very, very evident. Say, God don't give us the common sense to put them into action to do waiting day right. We go collect Engineer Paul all the way from Kaduna. After this one, we go lock our telephone lines because I know, say, Prof, still get plenty things to drop. Engineer Paul, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Engineer Paul.
I dey greet all of you for there.
We dey greet you back.
Yeah. You see, this kind of thing where they happen for Nigeria, it vex everybody. But waiting.
Hey, Engineer Paul. Hi. Oh, this one a conspiracy.
No.
What we go do? We say, make we just lock our telephone lines like that, so that Prof go get the opportunity to just use our time where remain to use convince Nigerians say not be just to put money on top of light money and go make power day. Prof,
Prof, you don't hear basically you don't hear what people don't talk. From the voices of Nigerians, Nigeria they see this matter and say, okay, say the government they take us for granted. Okay, you don't be talk and say, oh, Nigeria don't even talk and say, look, I know if you get company as Nkubi, make I come say, okay, I want advance my company. Me I go dey tell my customer, give me money. If I don't advance this thing finish, I'll come dey do it. Okay, we don't see NLC they protest right now. They demand make certain demands. Okay, make we come, make we talk this thing, make we know how we take this thing. Wetin make we anticipate for this kind this thing? Because in the end, we want a situation whereby things go fit balance. At least Nigerians go fit. We go fit see at least like a balance on both parties. So okay, see what we go offer now, see what we go do for us. So what make we anticipate for this from the government on based on the protest we're on right now.
Chukwudi, if you ask me, Nkwobi, if you ask me what Nigerians should do, what we will do, I will tell you simply, let the discos go and look for money. Put meters across the country and increase tariff if they want. But to begin look for government to support them to increase tariff, and then before they give us meter, I think is a wrong route. It is a wrong decision. It's a wrong process. And God went there inside me. I've always told people, I'm not a Christian, I'm not a Muslim, I'm not a Buddhist. My religion is love. My faith is love. My God is truth. As me and you they so, waiting be the truth. They say the Nigerian people they suffer and they suffer since I know. Since I know waiting be suffer. Since I know waiting governance supposed to do, I think that the first thing we must do now begin to think of how we go make lives better for the Nigerian people. And for those who in the National Assembly, the time don't reach to side with the Nigerian people. And then the time don't reach to rework this our law so that state governments go fit generate
and
power.
their own, yes.
So that local governments, if they want, go fit generate power. You know, this whole story when they give us like say to generate power, to produce power and distribute na rocket science. Now like say person one turn woman to man and vice versa. I don't understand them. And as me and you they talk, I believe that the Nigerian people don't want increase in tariff. And government supposed to think about the people. It is not about the vision you have, essentially, because if the people not agree and crisis come day, the vision when you get not go fit materialize. So I think that what is most important now, an atmosphere of peace and understanding. And then those when be the companies when say they want to generate power for us, when they not get money, I know certain companies, if you Google online now, you go see them, then they're ready to bring their own money, can't do this power thing for Nigeria. Let them go and engage them and stop thinking about Nigerians paying more for tariff. Now, the only thing when I not support, since I know Ogara Fashola, now the only thing when I not go feel support, because I believe, say, God, now they lead human beings. And I think that those, when they defend this situation, make them, when they go inside their home, make them think and well. The Nigerian people, we are all going through a lot. And the time has come for us to move this country forward. Those are my fundamental persuasions. I believe that we live in a country that God has blessed with riches ineffable, and that the time has come for the Nigerian leadership and everybody to contribute to making lives better. But making the people the milk cow, making the people those who must tighten their seatbelts is not just. I believe that the time has come for us at the level of leadership to think first about the people. If the National Assembly people, they receive salaries when we don't know, if political officer holders, they buy cars every day and workers are not being paid, then there is a major degree of injustice being meted out against the Nigerian people. And you don't look at those people again and tell them that they have to pay more for electricity. It's unfair, it's unjust, and it is inhuman. I think that the time has come for us to begin to think about these people. And then the more we think about the people, the more God gives us an idea on how to fix the problems of this country. And I believe that God, who leads the human pilgrimage, who brought this planet out of primal vapor, the God will give us Oga Muhammad Buhari, will help us to fix this country. Anybody when they think say now to make the people tighten their belt more, I disagree. I believe that the abilities of the human mind to think an escape route from problems without causing more problems is what we must begin to engage now. And those when they sing songs, they clap for our ministers, when they're supposed to advise them to understand the reality are not fair. I believe that God on our side and God on the side of the Nigerian enterprise, we can collectively make this country better.
Prof,
Nkwobi,
any other, Prof,
God there on our side.
Prof, with everything we don't talk now, if I continue this talk, I don't spoil everything.
No, you
so
don't.
I will respect myself now. Shake your hand because of the wisdom when you don't drop this morning. And tell our Nigerian people, say, until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. But we can always remember, say, as they hot, now that Ogbonge program, when they put the interest of Nigerian people first, una bye-bye.
You don't talk and say, if you talk again, you could just...
Why you call they talk now, they join now?
The first time you talk...
Why you call they talk, they join now?
If you read for that book, you go...
Why you call they talk, they join now?
If you read for that book, you go...
Must you talk? Must you... Nigeria, must you talk?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.